Morning, it's day 31 today. It's a little bit wetter than normal. Murphy's looking a little bit wet today. Sheep are all hungry, and if you look behind, you can see it's a little bit more muddy and a little bit wetter today. Right, let's get these animals fed and then I'll be right back. So, sheep are all being fed. It looks like the pheasant is having some of the feed. Bono's over, where's Bono? Over there, having his feed. So yeah, it's very windy and wet today. Looking around the fields, it's very, very wet. But the animals are all okay. Let's just do the main thing and shut the gate up, make sure it's locked. Here's some of the sawyers. Enjoying themselves. There's Murphy's big back end. Here's Cloud and Blackberry and Blondie. But they're all happy. So yeah, Debbie's doing last minute shopping today. Just making sure, Blondie, just making sure we got everything ready. I said I'd come down today, get the animals fed, check on them, and then we'll check them again later on this evening. But yeah, all pretty good. They're all happy enough. They all seem happy. They all seem fed and warm and a little bit wet, but that's sheep and it's raining. But they'll be fine. So yeah, we should hopefully catch you again tomorrow on Christmas Eve. Thank you again for all the support that we're getting. I think we had something like 11 new subscribers yesterday, which is fantastic. Obviously more the merrier. But yeah, please just like and subscribe and click that little bell so that you don't miss any of our updates. But apart from that, I hope everyone's getting ready for Christmas and it's got everything that they need to get. We'll be down here Christmas Day, so we'll try and get some ear tagging done Christmas Day, I expect. But we won't stop showing any videos. Videos will always be coming on. So have a good day. Drive safely if you're travelling anywhere, because I know a lot of people are travelling to family and friends. So please drive safely. The roads are bad. I've been down Salisbury Plain today, this morning already. But please take it safe and enjoy your Christmas holidays. And I shall see you all tomorrow. Thank you very much. Bye for now.